أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear all sisters, today our lesson is about the combined shapes or the joint shapes of the alphabets or Arabic letters. So, as we know that in every language, when two or three or more letters or alphabets join, they form a word, they make a word. But in Arabic and in most languages, when a word is written, every letter or every alphabet is written in its proper complete shape. But in some languages, it is a style of writing style that when a word is written and the alphabets or letters are written in a word, they are in a combined or joined shape, joined form. So these alphabets or letters of that language are not written in a word in their complete shapes, but they are in their half shapes or shorter shapes. And mostly in Arabic language, and same in Arabic language, in Arabic, when the word is written, when the alphabets, Arabic alphabets are written in joined form to make a word, they are written in their shorter forms, in their joined forms, combined forms. And these joint shapes of the alphabets or shorter shapes of the alphabets can be that half of their starting shape will be written as, and the half of the shape is left. And mostly the head of the upper starting shape of the alphabet is written, and the lower one, half lower one shape of the alphabet is cut off, is left, and half of the shape of the alphabet is joined with the other half of the next alphabet to make a word. So in this page, as we are watching, that there are some alphabets written, and below that alphabets are written in their combined forms or joint shapes. In these shapes, these alphabets can be joined in a word to make a word. So alif can be written as it is written in below two shapes there are written. So alif can be written like this also, these two shapes. And ba in the second one box from right side, from the upper one row, ba. And look at the shapes written below of ba. These are the joined or combined forms of ba. So in a word, in between the alphabets, ba can be written in this shape. And ta, so we are watching that ta, there are three possible combined or joined forms of ta written below. And if ta is in between the word, written in between the alphabets, it can be in either of these forms, these three forms. And next is Jim. And look at Jim, when it is written in between the alphabets to make a word, in a word, so the head of Jim is joined with the other Arabic alphabet, and the lower part, lower rounded bowl shaped part, is left. And in the second row, starting from right side, see, in the first one box there is dal. So below is written the joint form of dal. So dal can be in this form when joined with other alphabets, other Arabic alphabets to make a word. And next is ain. And see, below is written two shapes of ain. That ain can be in either of these shapes when joined with other Arabic alphabets to make a word, written in a word. And next is fa. So see, fa is also written in its shorter shape below. So fa can be written in this style in a word. And in the third one row, in the first box from right side, see kaf, and kaf is written below in its joint forms. So there are two forms written of kaf, but another form is also of kaf. When we proceed further in our lessons of Al-Qaeda An-Nuraniya, inshallah, I will also describe you that shape of kaf. If there is an there will be the shape of kaf anywhere, I will also describe you about that. And so C kaf is written in two forms, and the second one form C is a little bit like S in English, a little bit like S shape. And next is lam. See, lam is written in two shapes below. So lam can be joined with other Arabic alphabets in either of these forms. Next is meme, and see, meme is also written below in two forms. And also the meme, the above one meme is also a combined form of meme. And next is noon. See, noon is written below in two shapes. And always remember, dear all students, always remember that when there is one dot below, we will understand that this is ba. And if there is one dot above, so we will understand that this is noon in the combined forms. And the last one row, and starting from the right side, is first one is ha. So see, ha is written in different three forms. Ha can be in either of the forms, and the above one ha can be in this form also. In between the alphabets in a word, ha can be in these four forms. Totally these are four, the above one and the lower three forms. So ha can be in either of these forms. And next is hamza. So hamza can be written above alif or above ya or above waw. Hamza can be in the form of alif or can be in the form of ya or waw. And the lower one, two combined forms of hamza. So hamza can be either in these forms also. So always remember that hamza can be in the form of alif or waw or ya also. And next, the last one box is ya. So we will always remember, understand and recognize ya by having two dots below it. If any of the alphabet is having two dots below, we will definitely understand that this is ya. And if any alphabet is having two dots above, then we will definitely understand that this is ta. So these are some of the shapes, combined shapes we can say, or joint forms or combined forms of the alphabets, Arabic alphabets, in which forms they can be written in the words in joint forms. And inshallah, as we are learning the lesson number 2, in lesson number 2 also we are learning the joint forms of the alphabets. Inshallah, Allah will make easy for all of you, and as we proceed further with the lessons, inshallah you will understand more and more and recognize all these alphabets and their combined forms also, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, jazakillahu khaira.